This video is intended for educational purposes only. We do not promote any illegal activities. Any action taken based on the information in this video are solely at your own risk. Always ensure you have proper authorization before testing systems or networks that do not belong to you. The information in this video should be used responsibly and ethically.
So in this video, I want to talk about how we can connect our RTL-SDR dongle with our Kali Linux NetHunter phone and receive different frequencies. So over here you can see this is my rooted phone, Kali Linux NetHunter phone, and we are going to use this device. So let me just connect this device. So you have to make sure you are using the correct antenna. So it requires a male antenna. Over here you can see this is a male antenna. So let me just connect this antenna with this device, and then we will connect this device with this USB female adapter like this, and now we can connect it with our phone like this. So now we are ready. So let me just show you the applications first. So you will require two applications to make this connection. So first you will need this driver application. So this driver application is installed. As you can see, you can find it on Play Store. And this is another application which is RF Analyzer, which is our main application, and you can find this application on NetHunter store. Over here you can search for this application. Let me just show you over here. So it might be over here. So this is the application. So you need to have this application. So let me just open this application, and let's just do play. And over here you can see we can receive frequencies. So let me just go on around 100 megahertz. So we can see some results over here. Over here you can see we are receiving different frequencies. So let me just go on FM band. And let's just tune into wide FM. And over here you can see you can adjust the gain. So you can see this is how we can receive frequencies using this RTL-SDR dongle. So we can connect these type of dongles as we can connect HackRF as well. So over here you can see in settings, if I'll go in settings, there is also option for connecting HackRF board. Over here you can see, so we can also connect HackRF board with it. So this is how we can use RTL-SDR dongle with our phone. Thank you.